Think great smartphones have to cost a fortune? Think again. The new Spectra J1 and J1 Pro bring solid features at budget-friendly prices. But which one's the better buy? Let's break it down. Design and build. Both phones have a modern 6.56-inch display, but the J1 is slightly bulkier, while the J1 Pro is slimmer and lighter. The J1 features a water drop notch, whereas the J1 Pro opts for a punch-hole display for a more premium feel. If you want something simple and functional, go J1. If you prefer a sleek, modern look, the J1 Pro wins. Camera. The J1 has a 13-megapixel rear and 8-megapixel front camera, good for casual shots. But if you want sharper, more detailed photos, the J1 Pro's 50-megapixel camera delivers much better quality. If mobile photography matters, the J1 Pro is the clear winner. Performance. Battery-wise, both pack a 5,000 mAh capacity for all-day use, but the J1 Pro supports 20-watt fast charging, meaning less time plugged in. The J1 is built for everyday use, running on an octa-core Cortex processor with 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB storage. The J1 Pro steps up with a UniSoC chipset, making it faster and more efficient. Plus, it doubles the storage to 128 gigs. If you're just browsing and texting, the J1 is solid. But if you multitask or game, the J1 Pro's extra power makes a noticeable difference. Conclusion. So, which one should you choose? The Spectra J1 is perfect for those who want an affordable, reliable smartphone with solid performance and battery life. On the other hand, the J1 Pro excels with a faster processor, smoother 90Hz display, and superior 50-megapixel camera, making it a better choice for power users. If price is your priority, go for the J1. If you want the best overall experience, the J1 Pro is the smarter investment. Which one's your pick?